Hey everyone, just plain Pyro here, coming to you at an undisclosed location. Underneath this tarp is my load of fireworks. I probably won't be showing you the stash until later, but here it goes. What I'm about to tell you, along with a little addendum video that I filmed this past weekend of some legal fireworks that I found at Walmart, which are a bunch of garbage, smoke bombs, and poppers, and that bunch of nonsense. But anyway, if you go to my good friend's YouTube page, Pimp Daddy 28, him and I have decided to do a 10,000 subscriber combo giveaway. During the American Fireworks demo, I did have all my giveaway packages from last year that I wasn't able to give away, and I decided to give him those packages so that both him and I can beef up those packages for both our channels for a benefit, and this will also benefit you guys as well, the viewers and our subscribers. So please listen to the rules that Pimp Daddy will tell you on his video, and also read the description, and hope one of you guys will win. Here's a little sneak peek of what's inside this odd-looking pallet. You can't see them, but there's a detonator and a double barrel hidden under there. But yeah, got a lot of goodies in here this year. Even had to put it in a warehouse on a pallet. But okay. Stay tuned for more demo videos. A demo showcase video featuring some items from Sandusky Fireworks should be filmed this weekend, possibly. So please be on the eye for that, if weather permits and the police don't bother me. I got quite a few things to demo from them. So take it easy. Hey everyone, this is a Just Plain Pyro quick store tour of a Walmart in Ohio. And you probably remember I demoed some of this crap last year. It was pretty funny and very, I guess, annoying. But here you go. The crappy stuff we were allowed to still set off in Ohio. Hopefully the laws change by next year. Look at this. TNT Blast Zone. $30. Smoke, smoke, and more smoke. Red, white, and boom. And there's no boom in that assortment at all, except for those little poppers up there. Smaller ones down here. I'm not sure why they consider these fireworks, but the closest thing to a firework here is these sparklers. Snakes. Smaller assortments. Nothing but smoke garbage. M100 smoke crackers, poppets. $2 for sparklers. Great value. Shit. Sparklers for cheaper than that. I could get morning glories for that price. Or the same on this end. $20 for this one. And then there's fake smoke rockets. Note the fuse is on here. You light it from the top after you take this plastic top off. And then got the looks like a Roman candle. to smoke. Want me to demo one of these just for fun next time? We'll see. Honestly, I don't want to spend $50 on this garbage. I'd rather spend that on some good stuff. Alright, that's it. Quick Walmart tour of smoke, garbage, legal fireworks. Happy 4th of July coming up.